Alright, as you see, chipmunks did a number on my foam here. All in through here. They pretty much chewed straight through here, and a big section there. I guess trying to get into the air box. But thank God they didn't eat any of the filter inside, or get anything in the head itself. So what I've done is I've just taken some regular door and window weather stripping and double stacked it there just to get a decent little seal. Once we get this K&N in, I'm not going to let any of that junk in there, so kind of wiped it out a little bit, and we're going to reinstall. So I've already plugged in my map sensor there, and we're going to drop her in. So let's bring her up in here, and there she sits. These tops down in here. Boom, boom, boom. Looking good. Alright. What I usually do, guys, is I just put all the nuts and bolts in my pocket. That way I don't lose anything. I got a baggie from when I took the other stuff apart there the other week. So I'll just try to keep my shit together. Alright, looks like we're where we belong. So just snug that down for you. Yep. Alright, grab my screwdriver. Reach in here, push down. Just, you gotta kind of hold them too, because they're gonna want to spin. Just snug them up. Move our way around, making sure they're down and in place, and them too. And this other side, switch out. And tighten up them now. This would make it the easiest to get to. There it is. Alright. There's one. Beautiful. There's two. The sensor up and over. Slide the clamp up. Beauty. Alright. 10 milli. Tidy enough. Now let's get the gorgeous out. Here's the old one. Blah. And here's our high performance cane and filter. Down, down, down. Pre-oiled, ready to go. Yeah, slimy. Alright. Kerplap. Well, that's a trick. That is a fucking trick. Wham. Alright. Airbox top. Hey. Two and three. Alright guys, cane and air filter is installed, air box is about back on, and then we'll start working on the fuel tank, get it straightened out and go from there. So till then guys, I'll catch y'all later.